Let me tell you something. You are not lazy. Yes, you heard that right. You are not lazy. You're just doing things the wrong way. Most people blame themselves. They say, "I'm lazy. I have no discipline." But that's not the truth. The real problem is deeper. You're trying to force yourself to do things you don't understand. You set big goals. You feel motivated. And then, after a few days, you stop. Not because you're lazy, but because your system is broken. You rely on motivation, and motivation is temporary. It comes and it goes. That's why you start strong and finish weak. Real change comes from systems, not feelings. Successful people don't rely on motivation. They rely on structure. They make things easy, while you make everything hard. You wait for the perfect mood. They act, even in the worst mood. You try to change everything at once. They focus on one small habit. You chase perfection. They chase consistency. And that's why they win. You don't need more motivation. You need clarity. Clarity of what to do, clarity of how to do it. Because confusion kills action, and action creates success. Start small. So small that you can't fail. One habit, one step, one action, every single day. No pressure, no perfection, just progress. Because the truth is, you were never lazy. You were just lost. And now you know the way. WisVault. Unlock your mind.